Motorola quietly launched its new entry-level smartphone under G series in the European market called Moto E14, and it is the successor of the last year launched Moto E13 smartphone. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Moto E14 features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by UniSoC T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. The smartphone packs with 2 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 2 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Moto E14 sports a single 13-megapixel camera on the rear, with f2.2 aperture, and for selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 Undergo edition, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, but the user will get 10 watts charger inside the box. Additionally, the smartphone features a face unlock system for authentication, and it is IP52 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also comes with a single speaker powered by Dolby Atmos technology for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.49 by 74.53 by 7.99mm, and it weighs around 178.8 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Moto E14 has been priced in the European market at £70, and it is now available for purchase in pastel green, graphite gray, and pastel purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto E14 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.